Sometimes we are not so lucky. It's not a camera that failed, but it's actually a real accident. And something unexpected has happened. Our friends has fell on the floor. The camera has struck its position and has raised an alert. As you can see here, the system has raised an alert. The camera is struck that our friends has been fall down.
There is an alert at Bob's house. I have to check the data from the devices. It seems a real alert. We have to send a rescue team.
Emergency.
As you can see, the number of agents has changed. The rescue team has been recognized outside of the door. They still need to be authenticated. Otherwise, the system will not let them enter into the door. And the system will send them a door to open it. Let's see what's happening. Now they've been recognized as a visitor, and the door will automatically open and let them in to rescue our friend.
Now the rescue team has been authenticated and we have received the one-time password to enter the house. An SMS has been sent to the rescue team.
Okay, breathing. The pulse is okay.
Okay. Now the member of the rescue team is going to check the data of the patient in the big screen in the other house. He has been correctly authenticated as visitor and will have access to the data that otherwise is protected.
Let's check the patient status. Oh, the heart rate is very high. Let's call the hospital. Hi, can you call, please, can you call a doctor in Piazza Gravetti right now? Okay, see you later.
The demonstration is over. You have seen here the potentiality of this research project for improving our life in our daily ambient assisted living environment.